Hello everyone, so how to add a virtual home button in iPhone. So in case you're using iPhone 10 and later, maybe you just lack that kind of functionality. So I just found out that you need to go to settings, general, you just here general, then accessibility, and then assistive touch. So here and then just enable it on, and then you will see immediately you will see this kind of virtual home button. Uh, so yeah, you can customize top level menu. You can add different icons here. Yeah, you can move itself the virtual assistant button. So something like that. You can decide what to do on double tap, what to do on one tap, on 3D touch and stuff like that. So there you have it. And then when I just click here, I can see it. I can just move it around. So this way you have like a virtual home button. Then I can access notifications, control center, Siri, anything. So that's how it works. Hope it's helpful.